Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
You already know it's your girl Gigi and Iceberg back with another video.
Yes.
And today we're doing another challenge, of course, because that's what we've been doing. The 24 hours handcuffed to each other challenge. Kind of scared?
I don't want to do it because how am I gonna do dishes? How am I gonna work out? How am I gonna put up my How?
Anyways, but we're gonna be kind of ghetto with it. Our handcuffs broke. So our handcuffs broke.
Yeah, they like literally came apart.
So we're gonna use
zip ties.
Like I said, kind of ghetto, but it's okay because these will just be tighter, and you guys will know for sure that we won't be able to get out of these.
Yeah.
So we don't know how to put these on, so we're gonna ask our parents.
And we'll see you in a minute.
Yeah. Sorry we look so terrible. It's Sunday. I mean, if we're like getting ready. Okay. Ready? Our dad's gonna help us. Okay.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm gonna put these on us for. Okay, what arm are you doing?
My left one.
I asked for the left arm and she said, no, 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 no. It's about to get. And you can use more if you want. Before you have to back out. Then you're gonna help us if we need help with doing stuff?
Nope.
Okay.
Because you're the dummies that wanted to do this.
It's content.
Okay, look, I'm gonna do this.
I'm scared. No, I'm not.
Oh my god.
That's it. And what do you do when you have to take a dump?
I don't know.
You're gonna help each other wipe each other's
No.
butt? I ain't wiping your butt. You guys passed that stage.
Okay, well.
Good luck, man. I ain't wiping nobody's butt. Or fucking cha-cha. I ain't wiping nothing.
Are you done? Dang, it's not that big of a deal, chill. Okay, so anyways, if y'all couldn't tell, bring your arm. Oh, this is gonna be so terrible. You already know that. You guys seen our last, I don't know what video it was, but we were fighting for like a while. Yeah, so we're gonna be fighting all day. Oh my god. But anyways. Stop. Oh. Her arm is so much heavier than mine. Anyways, we're gonna, I don't even know what we're doing.
We're probably gonna just show you guys everything we're doing today.
Yeah, so it's gonna be like a vlog. You have another arm, you nut.
Okay, but I'm trying to get this one.
Anyways.
Okay.
We'll see y'all later. I'm about to carry around this whole backpack.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
I need stuff so I don't have to come back. Chapstick.
Oh my goodness.
This is stuff I do throughout. Come here.
Girl, you pulled me.
I need my charger. Headphones.
Ow, this
And
hurts.
the extra battery.
This
for
is
the
too
camera.
much.
It's been like 2 seconds in and she's already.
I know, but you're pulling
Ah,
me.
I think this is it.
Oh my.
We got all the
jeez.
goods. Now we have to go back to the
Dear
kitchen
God.
and put this in.
Well then.
Okay, let's go.
Ow.
Bro, she's over dramatic.
No.
Okay, sit down.
Ow.
You're so over.
Ew, what was
I
that?
don't know.
Irritating.
Watch, she's gonna have to go to the bathroom. How much you want to bet she's gonna be the first one that has to go to the bathroom?
I probably will.
I could literally bet you money right here, right now. Oh, fat. We're gonna be stuck together.
Rude.
Never know what happened. Anyways.
We'll see you guys in a bit.
Okay, guys. So we're about to go outside. Already know. Okay, no, like for real, we're about to go outside and we're gonna do some TikTok dances and just get some fresh air. Ow! Ow! That just scratched me. Okay, we're going outside.
Scratch! Scratch!
Scratch! Scratch! Oh my stars, for the love of Liza.
Guys, so we're gonna be skateboarding. Well, I am. She doesn't know how to skateboard. I kind of do, but it's gonna be a whole challenge because of this is. And by the way, hold on, let me turn this on. By the way, it's a light. When we were,
It's too close.
I know.
Go!
I'm scared because it's down. Okay, so basically we have a camera person now, our brother. Anyways, so
She's gonna try
we're
to
gonna
skateboard.
ride.
I'm scared.
I'm scared too, but it's hey y'all.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
That's bad.
Basically.
Help me up.
Ow! Ow! Oh,
My
that kind of
booty.
hurted though.
Okay, okay.
That hurt my wrist. She like yanked me. Okay, so now I'm gonna try a trick, and I'm wearing slides. Bruh. It just took me.
Ta-da!
Oh my gosh. No. Okay. I'm trying to do a trick. Don't come for me. Get over here, bro. I'm gonna fall. Okay. We're gonna try this. I'm probably gonna miss, and I'm wearing slides. So scoot up. Right there. Okay. Okay. I did. No, you know how I felt when you fell. Anyways, so what's next? Wanna try? Stop pulling.
You're the one that has your arm all retarded.
Cause I'm trying to talk.
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh my god. I'm not gonna be able to make 24 hours with this. Okay, so now we're going to do jumping jacks.
Yeah, we're gonna work out a little
I don't want to work out, but I'm being forced.
This is my routine.
Anyways. Okay, ready?
Jumping jack.
Oh gosh, this one is so bad.
Ready?
I can't.
Ow. Okay.
I'm doing, okay, now we're gonna do squats.
Yeah, we'll do squats.
I feel like it's not gonna be hard.
Go.
Ow, why do you bring your arm in the middle for?
Because I need to go like that. Ow. Stop it! You play too much.
Look at my arm!
Look at my arm.
Why was more redder? Okay, now.
Redder. What's
What do we
redder?
do? What do we do now?
Squats.
This is not okay. Ow, that hurts, bro.
Boy, come over here.
Come here, lick it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but my arm is so red for what? Extra here.
I was not expecting that. All I felt.
Now,
Fine. Can we do push-ups?
I cannot. How about you do push-ups and I sit down?
Okay, fine.
Again. Here you get nice and comfy. Hurts already. Go! Don't make a baby.
I can't.
Anyways, now we're gonna run.
Ow! Ow! That hurt.
Ow, that hurted!
Look it.
Ow, I think I just like strained my whole wrist. Ow, my nail!
We can't fight because we're right next to each other.
Oh, God. Stop it! Faster! I can't reach. Ow.
You told me to go faster.
I hit my ankle.
You told me to go faster. Come on, little crybaby.
I hit my ankle.
I walked in the party with my hair standing. Everybody knows Kung Fu is on the fanny pack, neon throwback. I walked in the party with my hair.
My shoe.
My chocolate.
My chancla.
Hurts so bad. Ow.
Let me get my shoe.
Ow. 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 My wrist is about to come. Okay, so just like I predicted, this girl has to go to the bathroom.
Whatever.
So obviously we're not gonna vlog in there, but we needed to update you guys. So yeah, she has to go to the bathroom. R.I.P. me. I'll catch y'all on the flip. Let's jump.
Nah.
Okay, so she's done. Sorry about that. I couldn't turn the camera on. She's done. That's how I feel right now. And she couldn't. She's like, I can't go. You're too close to me.
Yeah, it's hot in here.
Where am I supposed to go? Explain that. Where am I supposed to go?
Far away.
Literally, this is not even an inch. And I'm really over here getting told I'm too close.
Yes.
Where am I supposed to go?
Irritating me.
Where am I supposed to go? I'm hungry, so we're about to get a snack.
Again?
You just ate. Okay, so basically, we're going to be learning a TikTok dance.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm so dehydrated today. This is my second bottle of water. Anyways.
And she still doesn't want pee, which is kind of confusing, but
Yeah.
whatever.
I have a big bladder, probably. I don't know. But anyways, we're going to be learning a TikTok dance. And you guys are going to be watching us. This is probably going to take us so long. So bear with us.
And then we'll show you guys
both
the
of
final.
us, because both of us are uncoordinated.
Yes.
Like, no, I don't dance. Like, that's just how I am. I don't dance. So, yeah. So we're going to do this. And you guys will see. And yeah.
Standing. Everybody knows Kung Fu is on the fanny pack, neon throwback. I don't give a fuck. I'm flamboyant, my flair rig. Fuck a Crown Vic, I'm in a DeLorean, bitch. Neon shirt, cowabunga, 1986. If I'm really vibing out, I'm wavy. I'm tubular and gravy. They say I'm radical, my lymphatic system is in a panic. Chasing Zen on Xanax, it's so autoerotic. My inner violence is so hypnotic.
So I'm currently laying down because she's trying to plug in her phone.
Is it the top one or bottom one?
It's the top one.
Okay. I'm stuck.
Girl.
No, like, actually.
Well, my arm is stuck.
Oh, wait, hold on. I got it. No, I'm still stuck. Ow.
I'm done with this girl. I'm done with this
My
girl.
arm is actually stuck. I'm not even lying. Like, I'm not trying to be funny. My arm is literally stuck.
You have problems.
Ow, ow. Oh, got it.
Did you get it or no?
I unplugged it. Now I have to... Oh. Now I have to plug my...
Which one did you unplug?
The top one.
Okay. I thought she unplugged the bottom one. That's for my little Christmas lights. I mean,
Dad
fairy
didn't
lights.
think that we're knocking on the wall.
Yeah, probably.
Ow!
Hurry up, I'm trying to play video games.
Who wants to play video games?
Can you help me? Can you help me? It's not that funny. Don't mind. Ow!
What?
What?
Go!
I think I want to.
What is your problem?
You're sitting.
It was right here.
On, bro.
Oh my god. So irritating, girl.
Symbolism be gothic. In a pinch for the profit, infinite inch for the ocular. Show up to the scene like I'm Elon Musk. Eon flux, capacitor, but we on trust. Beyond dust, they still call me futuristic. Not a one-hit wonder, I illuminate. I walked in the party with my hair standing. Everybody knows Kung Fu is on the fanny pack.
Okay, so we're about to eat.
Stressed out.
No. It's so hot. And we're both done with each other. I can't wait for this to be over, honestly.
Yeah, I'm so tired of this.
It's hot and it's just naughty, bro. Anyways, we'll catch up when we're done. Someone's taking 30 years to eat. Anyways, she wants to take 30 years to eat like 4 tacos. And I'm hot. And I'm thirsty.
Hey, why are you guys sitting with each other? Are you still doing that fucking handcuff thing or... God, man.
Yeah.
You girls, what are you gonna do when you go to work tomorrow? You gonna sleep with her tonight?
I hope not.
She kicks in her sleep.
Yeah. Man, good luck.
Anyways, we'll see y'all later when she's done.
Can you do it? Want me to do it? Let me know. I'm right here. I'm right here.
Y'all, tell me how this is gonna work.
You're gonna helper.
Mom, I'm recording, bro.
Oh, excuse my language. Bleep it out.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, okay. Not bad, not bad. Girl, oh my gosh. So basically, she's doing dishes. And I was just standing here on my phone on TikTok. But I put the dishes away. And she's washing them now. And I'm tired of this. I want this to be over. Anyways, see you guys.
Okay, so finally she needs to go to the bathroom after like 3 hours.
Yeah. I have a big bladder, so I literally drank 2.5 bottles of water today. I haven't peed yet. We're gonna do that right now.
Okay, so she has finished going to the bathroom and now washing her hands.
Literally, that was the hardest thing. Oh, it's hot water. Literally, that was the hardest thing I could have ever done.
Okay, so now we're gonna do our night routine. Yeah. Okay, so I have the Ulta Beauty.
Shush!
It's the warming charcoal cleanser. It's a face wash.
Neon throwback. I don't give a fuck. Hot as fuck, 1980. I walked in the party with my hair standing. Everybody knows Kung Fu is on the fanny pack. Neon throwback.
Okay, guys. Now the last thing I use for my night routine is the
Mario Badescu.
What is it?
Mario Badescu.
Yes. Okay. And it's the facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender.
Okay, I'm just gonna point out that I literally look like a homeless naked mole rat.
Fanny pack. Neon throwback. I don't give a fuck. Hot as fuck, 1980.
Okay guys, so we're done with the day, finally.
Yes.
We're about to go to sleep in like a few minutes. Well, I'm eating ice cream, but she has to go to sleep because she has work in the morning.
We're still stuck together.
Yeah. It's been a long day and I'm tired of it. I'm done putting up with her trying to boss me around.
She's just irritating.
She's irritating and it's hot and I was just not in a good mood. And she's over here playing Fortnite.
Yeah, because I was trying to get a kill and then you kept on complaining about your stupid charger. That
And
wouldn't
then
plug in.
she was like, well, play for me. Anyways.
We're gonna cut it off right now with scissors.
Come on first, come on first. Wait, hold on, hold on.
No, I'm gonna cut in the middle first. Alright, let's
Oh my
get
god, I'm
this.
scared. She about to cut my face off.
Okay, that's the move. We're free.
Not yet. Of course she would cut herself first. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is the best feeling ever.
I'm free, Mom! I'm free. Free.
Anyways, we're both free now. And I can stand on this and I can stand on my good side. Y'all, the Lord has blessed us. We'll catch y'all later. Make sure if you guys haven't already, go follow all of our social medias in the description below. Like always, turn your post notifications on. Like, comment, and subscribe. And our quote of the day.
Put yourself first and to never give up.
Period. We'll catch y'all later. Thanks for watching.